Imagine driving down a winding road, the scenery blurring by as you navigate each curve. Suddenly, out of nowhere, another car swerves into your lane. Time slows down, and in those fleeting moments, your heart races. Just as you're about to brace for impact, something incredible happens. From the depths of your dashboard, a hidden hero bursts forth in a fraction of a second, enveloping you in a protective embrace. This unsung savior is your airbag, a marvel of modern engineering that quietly stands guard every time you take the wheel. But have you ever wondered how these life-saving devices are crafted? The journey of an airbag begins in a place far removed from the chaos of the road. It all starts with a seemingly ordinary substance, nylon. Yet this nylon is no ordinary fabric. It undergoes a transformation, starting as a thick, liquid polymer, which is pushed through tiny holes to form delicate strands, reminiscent of spaghetti. These strands are stretched and twisted, becoming incredibly strong yarns, ready to be woven into something extraordinary. Picture a room filled with the rhythmic hum of looms, each thread moving with precision. These computerized looms weave the yarns into a tight fabric, a web so intricate that it can catch the very breath of life in a crisis. The process is painstakingly slow, producing only about 8 meters of fabric per hour. Why such deliberate care? Because this fabric needs to be flawless. It is destined to be the barrier between you and potential disaster. Once woven, the fabric undergoes a rigorous inspection. Imagine automated rollers, their eagle eyes scanning every inch, ready to halt production at the slightest imperfection. This meticulous scrutiny ensures that only the best fabric moves forward. Next, the fabric is thoroughly cleaned, preparing it for a special coating. A liquid silicone is carefully applied, transforming the fabric into something even more resilient. This silicone not only strengthens the material but creates a seal so tight that it can withstand the explosive force of deployment. As the silicone dries, the fabric becomes a fortress ready for the next phase. Super accurate lasers cut the fabric into precise shapes, guided by black lines woven into the material. It's a symphony of precision, ensuring each piece is perfect. The cut pieces are then sewn together, but not by human hands alone. Specialized machines take over, stitching each seam with perfection, leaving no room for error. Before these pieces can earn their place in your car, they face a series of tests, each more stringent than the last. They are subjected to simulations that mimic the violent forces of a crash, ensuring they deploy correctly and swiftly. Every aspect is checked from strength to inflation time, ensuring no airbag leaves the facility without passing these trials. Finally, there's one last inspection. Each airbag is measured with laser precision, down to the smallest detail. Any deviation from the exact specifications could mean the difference between life and death. Only those that meet every stringent requirement are deemed worthy of installation. So the next time you slide behind the wheel, remember the hidden hero within your dashboard. The airbag is a testament to human ingenuity and relentless pursuit of safety, standing ready to protect you in the blink of an eye. Drive safe and let the mystery of how airbags are made remind you of the extraordinary efforts that go into keeping us all safe on the roads.